All right, number 1. We have a ramp with an angle of 37 degrees. A box with a mass of 20 kilograms is sliding down. 20 kilograms. We've got friction. Okay, so let's draw a free body. So we've got mg straight down. We've got friction going backwards. And we have normal coming out the top. Okay, so we want to know what is the friction force. Well, friction equals mu times the normal force. They gave us the mu, which is 0.2. So we need to figure out the normal force. If this was flat, the normal force would equal mg. But since we're tilted, some of that mg is canceling out the normal, and some of it is sending it down the hill. Okay, so I'm going to switch colors. Okay, so we've got some of this mg is going down the hill, and some of the mg is going into the hill. Okay, the bit that's going into the hill, that's what balances out normal. Okay, those two forces have to balance. Otherwise, it implies that like we're floating above the ramp or sinking into it. Neither of those are happening, which means those forces are balanced. Okay, so we need to figure out, is that mg sine theta or mg cosine theta? It's mg cosine theta. Okay, sine theta goes down the hill. You can remember, because at the bottom of the hill, there's a stop sign. You can draw a triangle to convince yourself of this, but it's a trickier triangle than the ones we've been doing. And there's better videos on YouTube that explain how to do that. So this is mg sine theta, and this right here, that's mg cosine theta. All right, you might be tempted to say, well, friction will just equal mg sine theta. Those are going opposite directions, they balance each other, but they don't balance each other. Mg sine theta is winning, that's why it's going down the hill. Okay, so we can't use that one. We have to use the formula, friction equals mu normal. Right, so mu is 0.2. The normal force we can see from our picture now is this one, and it has to balance with this one. So that is mg cosine theta. Mg cosine theta. Okay, you can calculate that on its own. I'm a one giant equation type person. You might be a lots of little equations type person. That's okay. We can still be friends. Mu is is that kinetic? It is kinetic. Okay. The mass is 20 kilograms. Make sure it's in kilograms. If not, you have to convert it. G is 9.8 times the cosine of 37. Be sure you're in degrees, not radians. And let's do all this. Mode, I am in degrees. Okay, so cosine 37 times 9.8 times 20. Okay, if you just did mg cosine theta, you should have got 156.53. Okay, take that times 0.2, and I got 31.3. Hey, that's the right answer. Yeah, that's how you do that.